Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Kuba's Cocktails. Today we are paying tribute to my absolute favorite band in the whole world, Ninja Sex Party.
We are Ninja Sex Party, shooting music all over your body.
For those who don't know, Ninja Sex Party is a comedic synth rock duo featuring Danny Sexbang, who is kind of a Johnny Bravo-esque character, and Ninja Brian, who is literally just a bloodthirsty ninja. The two have a lot of really wacky songs that I can only describe as kind of being the Saturday morning cartoons of music, adventures that these two bizarre characters continue to have. You know, Danny keeps trying to pick up women, and Brian keeps killing everyone, including Danny, on multiple occasions. It's crazy, it is so much fun, and they are just so near and dear to my heart that I want to make a couple of different cocktails to kind of pay tribute to them. This one's going to pay tribute to the frontman, Danny Sexbang himself. We're going to build this drink. We're not really going to mix, we're not going to shake, we're just going to build it from the ground up. All right, we got our glass ready to go right here. So Danny, don't you know, you're about to have a pretty darn cool cocktail named after you. So we're going to start by, as usual, turning to our treasure chest of booze. Bottom layer for this drink, we're going to use some Chambord. This is a black raspberry liqueur. It's sweet, it's syrupy, it is delicious, and it is perfect for this drink. I'm gonna do just about 1.5 ounces. Pour in the Chambord to get this terrible party started. Okay, next up, we're actually gonna grab some ice. Ideally, you want either crushed ice or like refrigerator ice, or, you know, not big ice cubes for this one. So what you wanna do is you wanna kind of use your spoon to, I guess, slow the ice on its way down so it doesn't just plop in there. Okay, so we're at about the halfway point here now with the ice. I'm gonna stop right there for just a second. I'm going to grab a Maraschino cherry. And we're just gonna throw that right in the middle of this whole mess. This cherry should really become your object of desire. It's gonna replicate Danny's signature star right in the middle of his outfits. And then we're just gonna fill this up with ice all the way to the top. So we got our glass nice and filled up. Next step is we're gonna grab some lemon lime soda. You can use Sprite, you can use 7-Up, you can use, you know, whatever third-party brand. Woo, that was a lot. You could use whatever brand it is that you want to use. Right about there is fine. Well, that's not it for the middle layer. We're gonna add one more thing. We're gonna add some Hpnotiq liqueur. This is, what is this? This is mango, this is passion fruit, this is cognac, this is vodka. It is such a pleasant tasting liqueur. Hear that? You don't need a lot of this. You only need a little bit. I'm not even gonna measure it out. I'm just gonna throw it in just a little bit. And the reason I'm putting this in here is to kind of transition the colors, because we got red on the bottom, got white in the middle, and we're gonna have blue on top. And I also have to say, it goes so well with the Chambord. And while we're over here, I'm just gonna stick the back end of my spoon in there and just mess with the bottom layer a little bit there, because that helps it transition a little bit into the middle layer. No, I don't wanna do that part. The taste-wise, because, you know, you're gonna drink this, a lot of the flavor is gonna be kind of like one at a time, and if you mess with the bottom layer, you're gonna feel some of that Chambord earlier, and it's not just gonna be a boring, like, one flavor finish. Okay, so now we just need the top part, for which we're actually gonna grab one of these right here, a little measuring cup, and I'm gonna take about 1.5 ounces or so of vanilla vodka, maybe a little less than 1.5 ounces. And we're gonna take some Blue Curacao over here. We're just gonna drip a little bit in there. I don't really like the way Blue Curacao tastes, but as a dyeing agent, it really gets the job done. We're just gonna mix that up with the back of our spoon. All right, now you just wanna layer this blue right up top here. And ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Sexbang. You got the red, white, and blue of Danny's gear. I know a lot of people are gonna look at this and go, oh, red, white, and blue, US flag? Well, I guess you can't say that Danny Sexbang isn't a patriot.
I'm doing this for America.
All right, so I'm just gonna grab a little bamboo straw over here because, you know, why not bamboo? Wanna be reusable, wanna save the planet a little bit. And let's see how I did. Okay, the bottom is awesome because you get that Chambord, but you get that mix of the Hpnotiq in there. You get a little bit of the lemon lime from the Sprite as well. Meshes together really well. It's a very fruity cocktail, but Danny Sexbang is probably the fruitiest straight man out there, so it works out pretty well. I'm really happy with the aesthetic. The red, white, and blue is so important for Danny Sexbang, and I'm thrilled. I'm really, really happy with how this all turned out. And the flavor is gonna evolve as you go. You know, eventually you're gonna drink up all the Chambord, then you go through like the Hpnotiq and the Sprite, and then that leaves you with the Blue Curacao and Vanilla Vodka up top. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you know, give me a like, shoot me a subscribe, hit that little bell button, leave me a comment, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. If you tried it at home, let me know. If you think this sounds like the most disgusting thing ever, let me know. I wanna know whatever you guys have to say. So, until next time guys, cheers, na zdrowie, and rock fuck!
Sorry, I don't know why we said fuck there.